altogether. Holy mackerel, Andy.
Yeah,
A bunch of them there.
Just right here.
Yep.
And a nice big one right here on top.
Oh.
Over here. Over here. Here's where it was planted right here.
Oh.
Lots of worms.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Where'd that one go that was right over here?
What?
There was a sweet potato right over there somewhere.
In there already.
Oh, you got it already.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was these.
Okay.
I moved over this way a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, there's one.
Down here.
You got several on coming there. There you go.
Almost seems like every plant produces just a little bit differently.
Yep.
Now this one's producing a lot of smaller ones, real nice shaped ones.
Yeah. All the same type plant too. Georgia
Well,
Jets.
it might have something to do with what the source sweet potato slip was taken from.
Oh yeah. Oops. Oh.
Oh, the skinny one.
Nope.
See, in the road, I thought it might be something at the other end, but wasn't on this one.
Hmm. Quite a few off of this one. Oh my gosh.
Bunch more over here.
Yeah. Oh. We were worried about them not producing much like last year.
Yeah. Well, the ground's way softer this year.
Yeah.
And a lot more
Fertile.
compost in it.
Yeah. Careful, you have a bunch there already. Oops.
See, we got that whole truckload of the tree trimmers dumped a whole load of chips. You see some of the other videos, you'll see I got them all spread out. There's a lot of chips on here. Good compost in there. Helped a little bit with weeds, but didn't take care of the problem, but it did good.
Another one.
Yeah. I cut the corner of it when I dug it out.
I have to eat that one soon.
Yeah.
Eat that one out.
Well, they'll skin over. It's just as, I don't think it's as good. They probably won't last quite as long.
Right.
Well, the size that one was buried under there.
Hmm.
Just like I was saying, it goes to show down here we're getting a lot more produced out here. This one plant's probably produced almost as much as the other ones up there, and that's where the old garden used to come to, about here, I think.
Somewhere
It's
right in there.
here. This is all grass I tilled up this year to put a garden in. And you can kind of see the difference in the color of the soil as well.
This is darker.
Yeah.
There was something on that, in that clod there, where your spade is. No, come back here. I thought I seen something in that cloud of dirt you just took over to your left. No, closer to your toe. Left. Right by your heel of your left shoe. That clod there, I thought I seen something in there.
Yeah, it's
a little skinny one.
A root from the Centennial or Continental.
Oh, the ones you planted over there?
Colors. See how this more orange and those are redder? That's a root from the other plant over here. Root from one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it for this one.
Okay, so we done?
Yeah, I had this full plus an old plastic Pepsi container, and that was 38 pounds. So by the time I fill this up, it's going to be probably a good 35 pounds just from these, what was it, 4 plants?
Yeah.
Yeah. So got some good crop so far today.
Oh.
Yeah, that was just today. Four plants. Got some good sized ones. That's views for
We'd have
next
to
year.
look it up to make sure. I don't think we
I
want
think
any
so.
next year, do we? Not after what we got this year.
Well, maybe not quite so many.
1 or 2 plants.
Yeah, well, I ordered a couple dozen of them, and then you ordered some too.
21 came in
and then
mine.
they all showed up, and so we had a little over 3 dozen.
Mine
by
came
the time we
first
got
and
done.
yours came
Yeah.
afterwards.
Oh, that's. Hey, you can tell in Nebraska it's quite humid out here. It's not very cold, but it's sure humid. So you can tell I'm working up a little bit of a sweat digging.
The good old mosquitoes are out like droves.
Yeah. Well, we don't even have half our plants up yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's we had plants over to here, clear over to there, and then now we've got maybe about probably a good half of it left to dig up, and
Over half.
we've probably got a good 70 pounds. So we'll probably end up with pushing 200 pounds of sweet potatoes. So I'm going to be eating a lot of sweet potatoes this year, I think.
Well, that's all you can eat anyway.
Yeah.
I'll be eating more. We give some to the neighbors.